So, you got your first Blueboard Reward. First of all, congrats. Now it's time to reap the benefits of your hard-earned work. You can push your comfort zone, indulge in a passion, or try a new one altogether. Let me show you how. First, create your account and answer a few quick questions. Now this is the experience menu. It's pretty sick. Enter your location and find tons of exciting experiences near you. From boxing.
Round one.
Pour enfants au point de set du long. Or simply, a much-needed spa day. Blueboard has you covered. Simply fill out the preference sheet with your information. It's much easier if you can see what you're doing. And boom, that easy. Next, a Blueboard Concierge will reach out to you to complete the process. This may take a while, but since we only have enough budget for a few minutes, we're gonna skip ahead a little bit. And there it is there. Hello?
Hey there, Derek. Is now still a good time to talk about your spa day?
It's always a good time to talk about the spa.
Wonderful. Does next Saturday at 2 p.m. still work for you?
Absolutely.
Great. I'll go ahead and get you booked. Hope you have a wonderful time.
Thanks. And once you receive your itinerary from the concierge, all there's left to do is go blueboarding. And once you're done, you're set to head back to work refreshed and ready to earn more Blueboard rewards.